Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making spicy cabbage and cucumber salad with shrimp. The fresh ingredients that you will need for this salad includes cabbage, cucumber, tomato, garlic, peppers, and also lime. We will include a list of ingredients that you need listed down below in the description box. I've already shredded the cabbage and the cucumber and blanched a pound of shrimp. So let's begin. I'm adding a half teaspoon of salt to the mortar and 4 to 6 garlic cloves, 10 to 20 fresh peppers, and half a teaspoon of shrimp paste, and I'm mashing them all up to combine the flavor. Once we have everything mashed up and combined, I will be adding 2 to 3 cubes of palm sugar. It depends how sweet you want the dish. Mash the palm sugar well until everything is combined. The next step will be to be adding a handful of grape tomatoes. You can add any kind of tomatoes, but I prefer grape. After that, I'll be adding the Ninjafoods Papaya Sauce, and I'm adding about 3 tablespoons to the mixture. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce for right now, but I'll be adding about 3 more tablespoons of fish sauce at the end once I taste the dish, but adjust the flavor to your taste. Lastly, I'll be adding 1 whole lime. I'm gonna squeeze 1 whole lime to the dish to add the sour element to the dish to combine and also to balance the dish off with the spicy, sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Instead, I already added 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and I am adjusting the flavor to the taste that I prefer with 3 more tablespoons of fish sauce. Now that we have our salad sauce done, we're gonna go ahead and start mixing the salad together. So now it's time to mix our salad together. I'm gonna start with the cabbage. I'm adding that to a large mixing bowl. Up next will be the shredded cucumbers, and I'm adding everything in a big mixing bowl because I'm gonna toss everything together so it'll make it easier for me when I'm ready to do that. I'm adding the pound of shrimp that I've already blanched to the salad, and up next will be the sauce. I'm gonna pour the sauce over the ingredients, and then I'm gonna make sure I get all the sauce into the mixing bowl, and I will be mixing everything all up to make sure that it's thoroughly combined. Once everything is thoroughly combined, you can taste the salad to see if you like the taste. If you need to adjust it to make it saltier, just add a little bit more fish sauce, or if you want it more sour, just add some lime. So just adjust the flavor to your taste. And I will be plating this dish up. We're gonna be serving this dish with some vegetables, also some pork rinds, and some vermicelli noodles. So now we get to enjoy the dish, so let's eat. I'm gonna be eating this dish with some boiled eggs, and we also have some assorted vegetables. I have some radish, some sweet bell peppers, romaine lettuce. I boiled about 4 eggs, and then we also have extra protein, which is beef jerky, to enjoy this with. This dish is a very fun dish to eat because it has a nice balance of flavors with the spicy, sweet, sour, and salty. And it's also a very refreshing dish because it has assorted vegetables in it, and it's very crunchy because of the cabbage and the cucumber. This dish is a great dish to share with a group of people because everyone can pick out what they enjoy or what they like eating, like we're doing right now. This was really fun to make because everyone was very happy with the outcome of the dish. As you can see, this dish was absolutely delicious because it went fast. I hope you guys like this recipe and try it at home. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.